Nights about the rebuilding and relocation of the Stanley White Recreation Center in New Bern. PRE's Ashlyn Deloe has this.
After Hurricane Florence damaged the Stanley White Recreation Center in 2018, the city applied for FEMA's Public Assistance Grant Program to rebuild. Now,
what the f, man?
A public meeting will be held to provide an
holy
shit of the environmental.
That was close.
And collect public comments.
Well,
things I would like people to know about the three editors of this book is that we are, even though we might live on the coast now or live in, progressive towns, on the coast or in the Pacific Northwest. Alexandra and Brian grew up in Arkansas. Grew up in small town Oklahoma. I have...
Hello? That's not good. What? 294 Papa Kilo Kilo. Is everything okay? He hit y'all. He hit y'all. And I've got a dash cam. I'm pretty sure I got his license tag as well. You're not too worried about it?
I wouldn't have been thinking about it, and then on my birthday, I would have been like, oh yeah, it's my birthday. And now I can't stop thinking about my birthday. Now I'm wondering what the hell you got for me. That's a surprise. Oh, man, I got my Dashcam, you man it. You man it. I got it on my Dashcam. Oh, that's the flinches with that. Like, oh, and the camera.
Do you want to be on Dashcam time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video description. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information about your incident, and then submit. It's really that easy.